So I've been using the M4 Pro MacBook Pro since its release, and here are 5 things that you need to know before getting it. The M4 Pro has been great to use for the past few months because I know I can throw anything at it without having to worry about crazy rendering times. When it comes to Photoshop, After Effects, Final Cut or Logic, there's never been any issue and it's practically been smooth sailing. So the Geekbench scores for the laptop are on screen now, and comparing it to my previous MacBook score, it's a 1.9 times increase in single core performance and a 3.4 times increase in multi-core performance. As long as you're not doing some crazy 3D work, the M4 Pro will take care of pretty much anything you throw at it. On average, the battery lasts for around 17 hours while browsing without video playback, 14 hours if I'm watching YouTube, and 7 or 8 hours if I'm using Final Cut and Logic. That is actually really good battery life, especially for a laptop. But do take note, if you get the M4 variant instead of the M4 Pro, you will get better battery life. The screen is really good on this laptop, and the maximum brightness for HDR content is 1600 nits, which is the same as the M3, but now SDR content has a max brightness of 1000 nits. Compared to the previous 600, this increase is great for using a laptop near a window or outside, and for watching movies, the screen just looks amazing. So coming from a 2019 Intel MacBook Pro, the I/O change has been much appreciated. The model has 3 USB-C ports, a headphone jack, a HDMI port, and an SD card slot. That being said, I would still recommend getting a USB hub, and you don't need a crazy expensive one. Amazon sells a few that are great. MacBook speakers in the past few years have been great, and this is no exception. So now I'm going to try my best to show you the difference between the iPhone, iPad, and MacBook speakers. These speakers are great, and if you need to use it for work or for watching videos, this is an amazing choice. The M4 Pro is for power users at its core, but if you have the budget, buying an M4 Pro over the base M4 would be more future safe. This is the first Mac I would say has a pretty decent gaming performance and is pretty versatile. With all things considered, this is a fantastic choice for students and professionals alike. If you want to find out how companies manipulate you, you can click here. And if you want to find out about Apple's biggest win, click here. See you in the next one.